The way to empty our mind, the way to remove all thoughts is to observe our breath.
Meditation is about understanding self. The practice of meditation is helping us experience that energy that we really are. Meditation is increasing our total well being and helping us grow holistically. It's increasing our physical vitality, increasing our memory power and intelligent quotient. It's helping us make great friends and become more self aware and then build those relationships to celebrate life. And it's helping us understand that our happiness is multiplied when we work with others. That is inspiring us to make a meaningful contribution to whatever we do.
Surrounding me, peace from me. By thy grace, let there be peace. By thy grace, let there be peace.
Meditation is healing by default most of the conditions.
I had severe spondylitis and sinus. Both simultaneously came to me. Then I went to many doctors. I had lots of medicines, injections, physiotherapies, everything I did, but nothing happened. I had many sleepless nights. I used to cry a lot. Then I joined morning sessions and evening sessions, and something miracle happened. I realized that there was no pain, no body pain, no spondylitis pain. I was able to do my work with full energy.
I had suffered severely from migraine, and neurosurgeons prescribed tablets. I gave up all of them. I went through a meditation process. Today I can't imagine I even suffered migraine once upon a time. Same thing happened with my cartilage tear. I sat down to meditate and bent my knee in spite of this. Only meditation helped me.
I suffer from sciatica. Sciatica is a very gross pain. I was living with it to an extent that I was having very bad sleep. From the time I've started meditation, that in the beginning, immediately I saw that the pain doesn't exist anymore. I sleep so well and so sound. I suffer from rhinitis. That is gone.
Before this meditation course, I was taking 2 pills of blood pressure every day. After joining this session, I totally not taking any pills since then, and I am feeling normal.
Introduced me to the meditation and my life transformed. I started breathing very easily. Within the 2 weeks, I stopped all the steroids. 40 to 45 days, I was out of everything. I became so energetic. After meditation, it was a new birth for me. Reverse aging started for me. I started learning new things. Age was just a number for me. As Chandra sir was saying in the manifestation, imagine you're in the new body. I'm just enjoying my life.
Without any medicine and without any doctor, the illness has to cure completely. So that is my childhood vision. I was trained under Brahmarshi Patriji. In future, definitely we are going to have medical colleges only with the spiritual tablets.
So there is a sleep chemical called melatonin. It gets produced inside our body, inside our brain. With meditation, this chemical is known to be produced abundantly, meaning they've seen increase of 100 to 300% in meditators.
Anapanasati, or the breath mindfulness meditation that we are all into right now. And I've learned very quickly that this is the simplest form of meditation. With this personally, I'm able to get good night's sleep. As a business leader, especially with a situation like this where you are working with a lot of budget changes, a lot of higher executive meetings, and plenty of board time, etc. Good night's sleep is a big gift.
Really help, and I'm able to focus, think clearly, and able to make good decisions. Even a lot of problems are there, then I'm able to handle it very well.
I've seen a lot of changes that happened to me. It's beautiful. I just wanted to try it to see to myself. So I've learned a lot of knowledge, which is like all my 10 years of medicine is to one side, and this is to one side, this 40 days meditation session. Thank you so much, sir, because this really enlightened me. The manifestation session, when you said, I always dreamed of writing my prescription as meditation for everything. So I wish the day comes, and I'm really, really, really looking forward to it.
Meditate in that experiment. From that day onwards, I stopped taking medicine, and almost more than 16 to 17 hours I'm working.
The challenge I had was clearing the exam to work in USA. The exam is called National and Physical Therapy Examination. It was one of the toughest examinations for the medical professions. To clear these examinations, I used 3 spiritual concepts. One thing is thought power, intentions, and affirmations.
As a change in my life and meditation practices is the presence of mind is the biggest gain that I have seen personally in my life. Not pondering to what is in the past or what is gone is going to happen in the future. The natural transformation that has happened in myself. That I think is the biggest gain that I have foreseen. And
you might be a very senior leader. After more than 30 years in the business, something goes wrong at work. Somebody's not happy, or there is a problem with a client, and somebody might be nearly yelling at you, and you have 2 choices. Either you react, which was what I was doing before meditating. So you react and you feel like a 12 years old kid, that the teacher is yelling at you and you don't know what to do. Or thanks to the meditation, you recognize this emotion coming up to you and you know how to breathe. You know what is going on in your body and in your mind. You are aware of it. And instead of reacting, you respond.
What I'm saying is faith has an important role to play. And accidents, anything, ups and downs can happen in anyone's life. You have to go with confidence.
How do I manifest? If I have this recurring chronic backache, how do I heal? I've started my business. How can I see excellent results in the business? I lost a job during this COVID time. How do I again go and then find my dream job? I have this innate desire to know myself, whatever that may be.
Quantum physics is telling us that there is an infinite field with abundance of possibilities and opportunities. And our observation collapses those possibilities into a physical reality. Then manifestation is all about changing our thoughts and feelings into an elevated thought and feeling. Setting clear goals is about reprogramming those limiting beliefs and then practicing them regularly in our meditations and then manifest whatever that we want.
Recently, after attending this first 40 days session, in that manifestation also, we set a goal for the spiritual agriculture. And soon after 3 days of our manifestation, we are able to achieve that, and we started the spiritual agriculture also.
I was working in a startup at that point of time. I really felt that the life is out of balance. So I thought I need to manifest another proper job. Then I wrote out all the things what I would like to have in my new job. Like I would like to have this much salary. I would like to this only 10 to 20 minutes away from my place, and a lot of flexibility, and then perfect environment, and then so much of free time to do my service activities. Just a month, whatever I wrote on the paper just got manifested, and I landed up in my current company where I'm working right now.
Recently, I've completed my 12th standard, and now I have got selected for Azim Premji University in Bangalore. I could say that this is completely manifestation that has worked for me.
I had this, wish of, I would like to have a twin babies. So we go for the first scan, and then we get to know that there is a baby. I was like, wow. But then it's a single, the scan results said. And then I come home, I say, hey universe, I had asked you to give me a twin babies. Please bless me. So I just put that wish again, and then we go for the second scan. Guess what? The result is, hey, you have twin babies. I was like, so that was blissful tears to me, and I can't just express how that feeling was.
The passion has to be so alive, the vision has to be so alive in us that we just leave the when, how much, and why to the universe. Let it happen.
All that I am, all that I see, all that I've been, and all that I'll ever be is a blessing. It's so amazing, and I'm grateful for it all,
A soul is a grand observer.
And the mind is a great thinker. We are all minds on the one side and souls on the other side. We are the twin functions of the mind and the soul. When you understand the minds and souls, you are a spiritual scientist.
The stress, the whole adrenal system, the cortisol chemicals, those are some of them are required, designed so that we can protect ourselves. When meditation removes all the negative thoughts, all the stressful thoughts, anxious thoughts, slowly as you practice, then no longer that cortisol is living, no longer you're going into the anxious modes.
I'm really having a change in my attitude and follow up in my work environment also. I'm really thankful to you all, sir.
Even though we have some grudges or we had some angers with somebody, try to forget, forgive and all. That you are manifesting, that is really great.
A lot of intuitiveness developed in myself. If you meditate deeply, you also come to know what is ahead. My temper came down mostly. I take things as they come. I don't suddenly react to them.
My thoughts have become more and more positive now. Reaction to the problems, I'm observing that is becoming more and more positive. My attitude towards life also more and more positive. I'm mindful of everything now. Previously, I used to grab my lunch and eat while going in the car, and now even I am very much mindful eating. I feel some sort of refinement in me.
One has to meet the challenge, but there should be passion and acceptance of the circumstance. And I think enjoy every day of your life. That's all. Whatever may happen, it will happen. But one has to be happy and enjoy what I have.
People come to our workshops for various reasons. Some want to gain their health, some want to land those jobs, some want to improve their relationships, some are not happy with their life. They don't know something is missing. They want to know what is that. What are maybe the reason, dear friends, every time and each time when someone goes through this 40-day meditation program, they recognize that they go completely transformed. They recognize that the life is much more than the way they live today. That they recognize that we're all one. They're always inspired to make a difference to the communities, companies, and organizations they serve. They want to understand the grander version of themselves.
I was quite feeling very down because work had stopped. And then when this came up, I thought I should take it up. It has been an amazing journey. I look forward to waking up every morning. I feel so calm, so composed. I feel everything is going to be fine. My general well-being, my health, I feel very good. I feel very positive, very calm.
It has totally elevated my level of fitness and happiness and everything. So I find that there is a possibility that you can achieve a different level as a living being.
One more thing, I have become a pure vegetarian. Which last 40 days I have not touched even on a single day. And meditation is going to be the first prescription or first line of letter.
I'm already feeling some changes in me. I had insomnia. I have a special child. You know, we are here to learn on this plane from our masters, and I think that's what I'm feeling, that he has come to me with a purpose. Maybe he is himself come as one of the masters to teach us a few things.
This has changes my life a lot, about the approach towards life, approach to others, and even to animals. You know, I started enjoying the nature more and more than before. My listening capacity has improved a lot.
And we are able to see a palpable difference of his value addition. You see, bringing mind, body and soul together, getting us a lot of focus, positive thinking. The whole day becomes a very smooth sail after a wonderful meditation. Trying to understand that Aham Brahmasmi, the concept, comes beautifully out of this meditation. And I think this is a huge value addition. My only wish is the next generation, right from the beginning, they should get this, it should go to the schools, it go to the colleges, so that we are able to make fine human beings. And when the human beings are perfect, the society is perfect, the country is perfect. So huge value addition, Chandra. Thank you so much. You're all indebted to you. The best thing is you're making it so simple that everybody can follow.
We put ourselves in different situations and events to see how we act and react. By observing how we act and how we react, we understand ourselves. We explore ourselves. We improve ourselves. The mind that sits in meditation and the mind that comes out of meditation is not the same. We are here to learn from every great master.
And also I want to contribute to the people around the world so that everyone will experience the fulfillment in all the 7 areas of life.
I have been doing meditation. Just the few sessions which I heard you and the sessions which I attended of yours is really inspired me to get more deeper into the meditation.
So it has been a really interesting introduction into my life. I feel very, very blessed, and through these 40 days that I have taken, it has definitely brought my faith in it.
Only you are with yourself, no one else. Chandra has given us a very unique method. These are all tested methods by our rishis.
So I'm so happy to your attending your sessions. Your sessions giving content to me, give the sessions also.
Have faith in meditation. The universe will come to your help.
Thank you for all the masters who all are participated 40 days meditation. First, you gave gift for yourself. That is the biggest gift. First, when we transform, we can do it for others. My great pranams to Patriji.
I've been doing meditation for 24 days now and my life has been changed for the best. You've inspired me so much. I can't even begin to explain the way you have with words and the way you make us meditate. I started crying today because the meditation was so good. So thank you so much for what you're doing. You're helping so many people. Thank you so much.
During the last self-assessment survey, more than 80% of you mentioned that you feel more energetic. You're a lot more confident and positive about the life outlook or your career outlook. You trust more. When we become positive, we are growth-minded. When you trust more, you become great team players. When you're energetic, you are more engaged. And we are confident, you're taking action. I'm sure you will become great assets to your organizations.
Guru Garki Saripoye Pata. Yagamu Seintu Kapurula Garimela Karma Yogi Tapamuda Balapari Yagamu Seintu Kapurula Garimela Karma Yogi.
And that's my mother. So she raised 6 children, and I'm very proud to say that everybody is into the practice of meditation. Everybody is into teaching meditation. We talked briefly in the context of Ace Noba. So she started learning music a couple of years ago.
You are so gracious. So you create the humanity to continue by bringing up the children in a healthy manner and also giving values to like what you have done to your children. And not only they are happy, they are spreading happiness everywhere.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot to your team also.
Thank Chandra sir for connecting all these things. You co-hosters are also very nice, doing a lot of work. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Peace of mind requires art, music, dance, one of them. But that's a way to actually gain a lot of health too.
My deepest gratitude to Brahmachi Patriji, Dr. GK, my parents, Vani, and several other friends who has helped me what I am today. I thank all the team facilitators, all the volunteers for selflessly contributing their time and energy in making this program highly successful. I thank all the participants for giving us the opportunity to share what we know. I personally thank Karthikeya sir, SVB sir, Ramani sir, Gaisa, and several other leaders and participants who have created so much awareness about meditation. I wish you all the best with your meditation practice, and the best way to strengthen the meditation practice is to be in the company of other masters and read and read and read right spiritual books. Thank you all.